Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Playlists can significantly enhance viewer engagement and boost your visibility. This video will guide you on creating and managing playlists effectively, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out. To create a playlist, first, log into your YouTube account. Navigate to YouTube Studio, select Playlists, and click on New Playlist. Choose a catchy title and set your privacy settings. Now, start adding related videos. This makes it easier for viewers to find your content. Playlists improve user experience, keep viewers engaged, and can increase your channel's watch time. Make sure to optimize your playlist titles and descriptions with relevant keywords for better discoverability. Use eye-catching thumbnails to attract clicks. Regular updates with fresh content can boost engagement. Share your playlists across social media for maximum reach. Now, start creating your playlists and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.